Hello everyone, I'm Lina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to create your very own habit tracker in Google Sheets. I'll also show you how to add visual progress bars and cute little cat grow up to track your progress. Okay, so now let's get started. The step number one, you need to set up your spreadsheet, starting by naming your spreadsheet. I'm going to name my spreadsheet Q Habit Tracker Cat, make it simple, and then click here and change the alignment setting. After that, I will go to File, Settings. Here I will change the locale. Make sure the locale will be USA because it's going to affect the formula later. So save settings and reset to make sure that locale has changed. That's all. Next, I will create a clock just to make my spreadsheet much beautiful. So I will merge two cells and use now function. Equal now. Here I will format this clock a bit. So I will click format, choose number. Here I choose custom date and time. I will remove all unnecessary elements and just keep our minutes, AM or PM, and click apply. Okay, that's look good. Now with this row, I will resize to make it taller because I will add the cat sticker later. Then here I will make a columns for adding habits and resize it to make it larger. Next, I will add a list of dates. Start by press Ctrl plus semicolon to insert today's date. Then I will double click to select the first day of the month. Then go to format, number, choose custom date and time. Here I will maybe choose this one, but I just want to keep day, so I will remove the month. Click apply. Okay, the next day will equal the first one plus 1. Okay, and then I'm gonna drag it until I got 31 day. If you want to create this habit tracker for February, or some months have 30, so just do 30 instead of 31. And then I'm gonna make the same copy for the row above it and format a bit. I want to format this at the day of the week. Then change the direction of the text a bit. Okay, and let's format it a bit. I'm gonna remove this comma. Okay, apply. Then here I will change the font and the alignment. That's look good. Now I will create like a numbered list by using sequence function. The sequence function generates a series of numbers in a structured order, arranged in rows and columns. So you can choose the number of rows that you want. If you don't choose columns, dots, and steps, it's okay because the default will equal 1. So in our habit tracker, you just need to choose how many rows or how many habits that you want to add. Right now we need to add the checkboxes. So select all the cells that you want to add checkboxes and insert, choose checkboxes. That's all. Then I will select all these habit tracker right now to add border, to just make sure that it looks cleaner. Here I will use calculate function to count how many habits that I have added or how many habits that I want to track. Now I will merge these cells horizontally to have space to write completed and incompleted habit. Yes, I will write completed, and this one is incompleted. To count how many times you've completed a habit, you can use the countif formula. So equal countif, and here you choose the range, and to remember that you need to change D7 to D21 to your own spreadsheet, to your own range, so you don't need to copy exactly the formula. If you don't change anything, it won't work. Okay, and then just drag it to make a copy for another cells. For incompleted habit, you just need to use the total number of habit minus the completed habit, and make sure that you need to add $sign to make the total number become absolute reference. Before you make a copy of it by dragging. Okay, so add the $sign and try again. Okay, you see. To calculate percentages, we need to divide the complete habits by the total number of habits. You can see it's showing error here. It is because the total number of habits is 0. If you add one more habit here, the total will change to 1, and the formula will work. Now I'm gonna choose percent format here and decrease decimals places. I'll also adjust the column width a bit so the percentage is clearer. Next, I'll add a $sign to the total habit section before dragging to copy the formula across other cells. Here I will create 2 new columns, which is tick and percentage. This one will help me track how many days of the month that I can do a specific habits. For the tick, we still use countif function, so equal countif and choose the range of checkboxes, and then comma true. Let's check it. Then I'm gonna drag it to copy the formula down. For the percentage, I'll divide the tick count by 31 because this month has 31 days. If you are making this for a month with 30 days, divide by 30 instead. Then I'll drag to copy the formula down. It's look good. The basics are done. Next, let's insert stickers into Google Sheets. First, prepare 5 images with the same size, showing 5 progressively larger cards. You can also draw trees or any other animals that you like. I am using Ibis Pen to draw mine, but you can also use Procreate or some other drawing app. For the progress bars, prepare 20 images representing 0% to 100%. You can create these in Canva. I'll also sell these stickers on my website, notedy.com for $1, which includes 125 diverse stickers designs. So feel free to check them out. From the next part, I will guide you using my sticker set, but all the formulas I use will still be in the description, so even if you're using your own stickers, you can still follow my formulas. So when you purchase the sticker sets, you will receive folders containing individual PNG images like these, along with a PDF guide. So you open that PDF and find Cat Sticker Setup. Here you just need to click Use Template. And then you're gonna have a spreadsheet like that. This spreadsheet is gonna contain all images that you need in your projects. Okay, so now to use this, you need to right click here and choose Copy to Existing Spreadsheet. And I'm gonna choose the one that we are working on, which is Cat Habit Tracker, right? So let's find cat, and I'm gonna find this one. Open spreadsheet. Here you're gonna see it here. You need to remove the copy of text. Remove it. Okay. And now we're gonna have a setup tab. So you can see in this section, I want to insert the cat grow sticker set. So I will go back to the PDF guide and select the formula in the cat grow sticker section. Next, I will paste the formula into this cell. Okay, here are some notes. You need to change the cell D32 to the cell that contains the percentage data in your spreadsheet. For example, if your progress is in cell E20, replace D32 with E20 in the formula. Also, make sure that the formula is on the same row. And for those who are not using my stickers, you need to change the parts highlighted in green by selecting the correct cell that contains your own images. Okay, so now I'm gonna adjust this formula to fit this spreadsheet. Remember, you need to make sure that the formula is only in one row. Okay, right now let's drag it across other cells to copy the formula. Okay, now let's check. It's worked perfectly. I'm gonna add some more habits. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And gonna see the cats grow up. Right now, I want to add the cat progress bar stickers. So I want to add it here. Important note, don't forget to change the cell B17. For those who are not using my stickers, you need to change the parts highlighted in green by selecting the correct cells that contains your own images. So here I just need to change B17 to this one, this cell that contains percentages, and I'm gonna drag it down. Make sure that it's in one row, right? And then drag it down. Let's tick some checkboxes and see. It works perfectly. Right now, let's decorate or customize our habit tracker. And at the end of the video, thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and comment. I am really looking forward to reading your comment. Thank you and see you in the next video.